Hey YouTube, this is DIY with Donna. And today I figured I'd come outdoors since it's so nice and talk about outdoor flower pots and how to beautify your front steps. So this is my front steps and it was recently power washed, but it needs some sprucing up. Initially, we went to the store to look at flower pots, but I figure I had some that I figure I had some at home and I would use what I have at home. The other pots were range between $8 to $15 each, and I had like 5 pots and I didn't really want to spend that. Plus I like the design of the existing pots that I had. Basically, they just needed to be cleaned up and then painted. So really all I needed to use my existing pots was to clean it up, and we have a power washer. Then these are some of the pots after they've been power washed. They were much dirtier, but it's smoother now, so we can paint them. So we have a lot of leftover paint, so I looked for some external paints since the pots would be outside, and that's what we needed to use. So make sure it's external paint. And then let it dry. So here are the pots, and you can see the design with the grapes. That's what I liked about these pots. These pots, the material is kind of like a foam pot, so they're not very heavy, even though they look like they're heavy if you were to lift them up. But I did like the design, and I just definitely wanted to keep the pots because of the design that they have on the outside. So after the paint dries on the flower pots, you just need some potting mix, some pretty flowers, plant them, water them, and you're ready to go. So this is DIY with Donna. Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.